We're proud to release MudShark's first major update of 2024. Here's a quick rundown of the features and improvements coming to version 10. The new Stitch tool, located in the Plans tab, allows you to rotate, align and scale a plan file all in one action. To use the new tool, after selecting Stitch Plans, draw a reference line on the plan you wish to scale. Then draw that same line on the plan that's already scaled correctly. Both plans should now be scaled equally. Be sure to draw both lines in the same direction to avoid unexpected results. Despite its name, the tool isn't limited to stitching plans from edge to edge, and can be used on any two plans that contain a matching line or length. We've also made several improvements to CAD file formats such as DWGs and DXFs. In the past, when importing multiple DWG files, you'd sometimes end up with misaligned plans. Importing multiple plans now will keep all plans aligned exactly as they are inside of CAD. In version 10, you can now select plan layers directly from the viewport, allowing you to easily isolate or disable layers quickly. Transmuting points from a tin has been drastically improved. In 9.0, what would take multiple hours now only takes a couple of minutes. And for tin meshes like these, you can now transmute your working area directly from the edge. Select Working Area, Transmute tool, then left-click the plan layer from the Plans tab. MudShark now displays the boundary points for structures by default. This is especially useful when creating extrusions for banks and batters from a boundary's edge. Calculation times have been approved across the board. Depending on the project style, expect anywhere from 10 to 50% faster calculations, especially on projects with lots of structures. You can further speed up calculation on projects where structures cover the entire site by checking the new Proposed Structures Cover Working Area flag when calculating. A benefit of these improvements is that version 10 produces cleaner visuals as less subdivision is required for calculation.